Okay, so let's talk about disinheriting a child. Some of you out there have an estranged relationship with the child. You just don't have a relationship with them. Some of you have a child who you know if they got money, it would just destroy them for one manner or another. Sometimes it's addictions, bad behavior, gambling, alcohol, drugs, something like that. And you just know they wouldn't get it. Now, there are alternatives, and we can explore those if you contact our firm. It may be a trust, holding the money in trust, distributing it over time based on certain parameters that you set forth in the agreement. But if you truly want to disinherit a child, just think it through and make it right in the documents. You want to clearly disinherit the child. Use good language that talks about that. Say who instead is going to inherit. Are you disinheriting just that child or also their, what we call issue, their children? So do you want it, if you had two children and they were going to get 50-50, for example, but now you want this one to get none, do you want this one to get 100% or this one to get 50%? And this child who you don't want to get any money, you want their children to get money, your grandchildren of that child. And if that's the case, then who's going to manage that money if they're not old enough? You probably don't want that disinherited child managing the money. They may misappropriate it, steal it, take it for themselves, do something. So maybe you want a corporate trustee, or you want another child or a family friend of yours to manage that money for them. You also want to think about these family dynamics, right? If you disinherit a child and their sibling, your other child, gets money, that may create a lifelong conflict. Maybe they already don't have a relationship, so you're like, it doesn't really matter. But maybe they have a relationship, one gets money and one doesn't, and then now they don't have a relationship. So you just got to think through all these things. I can't tell you whether to do it or not, but as an experienced estate planning attorney, we've dealt with hundreds of cases like this, and we'd love to have a conversation with you to see if we can help you. Contact Mike Massey Law. Have a blessed day.